Hi, I'm Nadia. Today I'm going to show you how to make kicking kebabs using my kicking chicken kebabs recipe mix that I created in partnership with the flavour experts at Schwartz. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is really bring these spices to life. I've got a bowl, I'm going to add some oil straight in there, and then I'm going to go straight in with my seasoning. Now this is packed with paprika, coriander seeds, so it has got tons and tons of flavour. So let's get straight into that. Get all of that in there. And now, like, if you think you could smell it while it was in the packet, now you can really smell it. With dry seasonings, they need liquid, they need fat to come to life. So now in with the chicken, straight in. And chicken loves flavour, and we've got amazing seasoning, beautiful chicken that is going to really amp it up. I'm going to set that aside, and now I'm going to chop up a pepper and an onion, and this is going to add like flavour and texture, just really add to those kebabs. Straight into the chicken, same bowl, mix it all up. Like, as much as I am about cooking and flavour, I'm all about not doing the dishes as well. Like, it is about saving on the washing, guys. So just get it all, mix it all up, and make sure everything is beautifully coated. Okay, so once that's all mixed in, now it's time to skewer these kebabs. So I've got some wooden skewers that I've soaked for about 15 minutes, and this will just stop them from burning when I put them on the pan. So we're gonna go in with chicken. And you can see, like, this is what I love. Like, when you're making kebabs, you can use whatever you've got at home. And if you've got brown onion, use that. Like, whatever you've got knocking around the house is always such a good way to make a kebab with just stuff that you've got at home. Okay, so let's make the rest of these kebabs. This is like key stage 1 maths for me. Like, I love it. I love when I'm making kebabs. I'm like, okay, so what order are we gonna do this in? I was like, chicken, let's do pepper, let's do some chicken. I love it. I find it quite mindful, actually. I find it quite mindful to make kebabs. So now kebabs have been skewered, and I'm gonna go straight in. Hot griddle pan, that's what you wanna hear. That sizzle is not only gonna cook it, but it's gonna add that lovely charred flavor, which is what we want. So get those in there and let them really start. You can see that we're gonna add loads of flavor. It's gonna be beautiful and charred. This seasoning is packed full of flavor, but it is still quite mild. So it would work really well with something like halloumi or lamb. Okay, so they are very nearly cooked. They are nearly done. Look, if you don't have a griddle pan, don't worry about it. You could totally do it in a frying pan. You could grill them in the oven. You can do them on the barbecue. Like, if the sun's out, do them on the barbecue. But there are so many ways of cooking this, so don't worry if you don't have a griddle pan. But these are done, and I wish you guys could smell this because they smell amazing. There's that moment when you open the packet and you can smell those spices. But the moment when they hit the oil, and then you're like, oh, hello, and then you really smell the spices, and then when you cook them, and that is when the magic happens. That is when the magic happens. Look at those delicious kebabs. We didn't even dial a number. We didn't even dial a number. And look at this. Absolutely delicious. I can guarantee that this is going to be a firm favorite in your house. Now you can take your taste buds on a taste adventure. With the trusted flavor of Schwartz and my helping hand, you can feel confident that your next meal is going to be a real hit. Take your pick from recipe kits, mixes, and seasonings to bring effortless flavor to everyday meals. Find more delicious recipes and learn about my exclusive range with Schwartz at schwartz.co.uk. God, aren't you feeling accomplished already? Now you're cooking.